everybody, this is Angel. So for this video, I will be doing a quick what's in my goodie bag. A couple of weeks ago, probably 2 weeks ago, I went to the Philippines and we went to Santa Rosa Laguna in Enchanted Kingdom. I stayed my long weekend there, but I wasn't able to film at that time. But anywho, I got this tote bag because I didn't carry any suitcase with me. So coming back from the Philippines to Hong Kong, I got a few things that I want to share from my mom. Well, except for this big owl that I got a couple of days ago. I like it. It's my favorite stuffed toy right now, my little owl. Then into my goodie bag, I got some things here. Got this 2 microwave popcorn from Kirkland that my mom gave me. But unfortunately, I don't have microwave here in Hong Kong, so I'll bring that to school on Monday. Then my mom got me 2 necklaces. It looks like these. I have another necklace over here. It looks like this in a nice bag, but I removed the bag so it's easier to take a video. Then she also got me some makeup. This is the translucent face powder. I got a mineral bronzer, which I cannot open because I'm using my hand. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Beautiful color, brown. And lastly, she also got me a shadow. There you go. Those are the things that my mom got me. And then my sister got me some bangles. This is from Robinson's Place, Manila. And she got me some bangles that look like these. Very beautiful. They are in 4 different colors because I will be going to Portugal next summer for my summer break. So she said that it's good to use these bangles to accessorize my plain shirt. It got pink, orange, blue, and green. How nice of her. She got me that last time we went to Robinson's. And there's nothing left in my tote bag except for my Polaroid that my friend got me. I think I have shown this Polaroid in my last video. So I will quickly show this again. It looks like this. Very nice Fujifilm Polaroid. And I think I still have some ink, but I have to remove the battery in it. And then she also got me this Naraya pouch, so I can just keep it there. So that's all what I've got in my little tote bag. I like carrying this kind of tote bag. It's lightweight and you can just really put a lot of things in it. So yeah, that's all I've got, and hope you're having a good time. Thank you all for watching, and God bless us all.